that you wear at the mall. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jump, jump with all your might. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lion, hear him roar nearby. M is for mango, juicy and round. N is for nest, where eggs are found. O is for orange, sweet and fun. P is for parrot, under the sun. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R is for rainbow, coming down. S is for sun, warm and bright. T is for train that goes all night. U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for van, driving through the plains. W is for water to drink and splash. X is for xylophone, shake and dash.